Hey there, it's Kristine from Nurse in the Making. Today I'm going to be unpacking the complete nursing school bundle. But before I dive in, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself and why I made this book. Although I already finished nursing school and now am a registered nurse, I still have a heart for nursing education because I struggled in nursing school a lot. I went to an accelerated nursing school program, and this was a super fast-paced, stressful, intense program at the University of Tennessee. In this program, I found myself really frustrated with reading the textbooks because I'm sure you heard from your professors before. I found myself in this fast-paced program flipping through pages and pages of textbooks and not retaining anything. There was so much fluff in the textbooks, it drove me crazy. Crazy enough, so many other nursing students felt the same way. So many students tell me on a daily basis, I don't know how to read the textbook, I'm not retaining anything. So that's why I made this book. I took all the fluff out of the nursing school textbooks and made a book that is the main core concepts of these difficult topics in nursing school. Basically, the complete nursing school bundle is taking a long page in your textbook and breaking it down into the need to know information. I found that for me, visuals, fun memory tricks, mnemonics really helped me retain the information. And this book is full of them. The complete nursing school bundle has helped over 100,000 nursing students because so many students like myself needed these fun visual aids to memorize these really difficult core concepts. My goal is to help nursing students navigate through all of this information because there is a lot of it in nursing school. So let's dive in. So the complete nursing school bundle is broken into subjects. So for example, you take mother-baby class, pediatrics, med-surg, fundamentals. This study guide is broken down into those subjects, as you can see in the table of contents. So for the first page, we have a head-to-toe assessment. This is really important in your health assessment class. Most likely, you'll have to do a head-to-toe assessment on a real-life patient in front of your professor. It's pretty scary. But this study guide can help you break it down and break down the process. Next is dosage calc. Almost all schools require you to take a dosage calc or a med math exam to stay in your program. I needed a 95% on this exam. Some even require 100% on the dosage calc. So dosage calculation and med math is really important. There's also practice questions with a comprehensive review at the end. Next, we have lab value cheat sheet. Lab values are really important to know for nursing school and for the NCLEX. We have some fun memory tricks. We have electrolyte imbalances. Then we have fundamentals, which covers blood types, abbreviations, vital signs, priority questions, IV fluids, blood transfusion, medication administration. Then we have mental health for your mental health class, which covers therapeutic communication techniques, personality disorders, bipolar disorders, eating disorders. Then we have our mother-baby bundle for mother-baby class. This covers GT-PAL, pregnancy signs and symptoms, pregnancy anatomy, stages of labor, Nagel's rule, all of the newborn assessments. Then we have our pediatric section for your pediatrics class. This has pediatric milestones, pediatric CPR, sudden infant death syndrome, neural tube defects, and bronchiolitis. Next, we have the med-surg section. This is the biggest section because, as you probably already know, this is the biggest class you'll take in nursing school. It's about 75 pages of the 200 pages in the complete nursing school bundle. It has different subsections within it, so you have cardiac, EKGs, renal, neuro, GI, respiratory, hematology, burns, and ABGs. Here's an example from the cardiac section. So for the pages with diseases on it, you're going to have your pathology, your risk factors, your signs and symptoms, your medications, your treatments, your diagnostic, your nursing considerations, and everything you need to know for that disease for your med-surg class. Here is an example page from the endocrine section. We have a lot about diabetes in this section. Here's an example page from the respiratory section. We have asthma, chest tubes, mechanical ventilation. Here's an example page from hematology. We have sickle cell anemia, DIC, and so much more. In the neuro section, we have diseases like strokes, the different cranial nerves. Here's an example page from the gastro section. We have acute and chronic pancreatitis. We have ulcerative colitis versus Crohn's disease. Okay, in our critical care section, we have how to deal with burns, and we have all of the different types of shocks. We also have an ABG bundle, which is great because it shows you how to answer ABG questions, and then it also has a practice question for you. Next, we have the musculoskeletal section, which includes gout and osteoporosis and a ton of more diseases. We also have the renal and urinary section, which includes acute kidney injury, chronic kidney injury, the types of dialysis, and so much more. So all of that was included in the Med-Surg section. It's a pretty big section, but you can reference them easily with the tabs on the side. Next is the Pharmacology section. We have the different types of suffixes and prefixes laid out with examples. We have pain management medications, antibiotics, cardiac medications, respiratory medications, psychiatric medications, endocrine medications, and then we also have musculoskeletal medications. In the back, we have some fun templates and planners that you can reuse, maybe photocopy, or you can just write directly into the bundle. We have a quiz and test tracker. We have an hourly planner here. We also have a monthly planner and a weekly planner. We also have some note-taking templates as well for pharmacology and med-surg class. Now that you know what's in the Complete Nursing School bundle, I'm going to walk you through the different formats you can purchase it in. The spiral bound is the most durable, but it's also matte, so you can easily write in it with a pen or pencil. Or you can purchase it on high quality printer paper that comes two-sided, one-sided, hole punched, or not hole punched. You can also get the Complete Nursing School bundle as a digital download. This is great if you like to use the iPad and you feel you wouldn't use the paper copy. You can find the link to the Complete Nursing School bundle in the description below. Happy studying, future nurses.